Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about this rumor floating around that Chime is giving away $200. Now, I know what you're thinking. Free money? Sign me up. But before you go opening a million Chime accounts, let's break this down. We've all seen those ads, right? The ones that promise quick cash, easy money, and financial freedom. It's tempting to believe, especially in these tough economic times. But let's be real for a second. Is it too good to be true? That's what we're here to find out. First things first, what is Chime? It's a financial technology company that offers banking services without traditional brick-and-mortar branches. They've gained popularity because of their fee-free model and other perks. But does that mean they're handing out $200 to anyone who signs up? Probably not. Let's dive into the details. There are a couple of ways this $200 rumor might have started. One possibility is the referral program. Chime does offer referral bonuses, where you can earn money when you refer friends. But it's usually a smaller amount, not a flat $200. So, while you can definitely make some extra cash through referrals, it's not going to make you rich overnight. Another possibility is the sign-up bonus. Sometimes, Chime offers bonuses to new customers who meet certain criteria, like direct depositing a certain amount of money. But again, the amount is usually less than $200. It's a way to attract new customers, not a giveaway. Now, I'm not saying there aren't any legitimate ways to earn money with Chime. There might be opportunities to build your savings, earn cash back, or even invest. But it's important to manage your expectations. There's no such thing as easy money, and if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, what's the bottom line? Does Chime give you $200? Not directly. You might be able to earn some money through referrals or bonuses, but it's not guaranteed, and it's not going to be a life-changing amount. It's always a good idea to do your own research before signing up for any financial product. Read the fine print, understand the terms and conditions, and don't get caught up in the hype. Focus on building a solid financial foundation, and the money will come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and stay in control of your finances. Peace out.